Okay, these two are neighborhoods. This is this is an apartment. This is a house. They are playing jump rope. She's wondering what they're playing.
Tell me who made those? Who made which one?
I made this one.
Okay.
This is...
Okay, really. Just tell me who made which one. Next one, the second one, who made?
This, Riley made this one.
Then?
I made that one.
Okay, next.
Riley made this one. It's a pet store. Riley made Target. Riley made an all school for girls. I made Kmart. Riley made a girl surfing. I made an aquarium. And this is inside the aquarium. Riley made the freeway to get to Disneyland. This is Disneyland Hotel. He's saying, why did you get me into this? This is Matterhorn. This is a really scary abominable monster. This is the Pirates. Ellie, be quiet. This is the Pirates of the Caribbean ride. I made this one. Oh, and Riley made this one. And Riley made that one. And Riley made this one. It's a boat ride. Riley and I made this one. It's a car.
Okay.
It's a car track. This is Riley. She made the haunted house. This is mine. I made Tarzan.